जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। जैसा कि आप सब दोस्त जानते हैं, जलसा पे दुनिया भर से बहुत से मुख्तलिफ अक़वाम से लोग जो हैं वो बरकतें समेटने के लिए यहाँ आते हैं। ये हमारे सामने जो अभी खातून खड़ी हैं, ये इनका ताल्लुक यमन से है और इन्होंने खुद जो अपनी स्टडी करके देख के अहमदियत कबूल की और अपने वालदैन की तरफ से सख्त मुखालफत का सामना करना पड़ा। अभी कुछ क्वेश्चन इनसे हम करते हैं और इनसे पूछते हैं कि क्या वो पीछे बैकग्राउंड थी, कैसे इन्होंने जमात को कबूल किया और अब ये कैसा महसूस करते हैं। ओके सो यू कैन जस्ट टेल what was the reason behind this, that you found this truth and you say okay, I want to accept Ahmadiyya, I cannot live without this truth.
Okay, I was Muslim Sunni.
Yes.
And I was very conservative.
Yes.
Then there is a hadith there, they said if you change your religion you should be killed.
Yes.
And that hadith, they do believe it in Yemen so much.
Yes.
And I got some confusion with that hadith because the Quran said La ikraha fi din. That means you don't force somebody to get the religion.
Yes.
So one time when I came, when immigrants to United States,
Yes.
I wanted to protect myself as a Muslim lady. So I wanted to be attached to God and to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So I started visiting mosques. I start first with the Sunni mosques. But when I get in there, I find them treat people not right. And they are not welcoming, they are not friendly. They are
In which country it happened?
In United States.
In United States, okay.
So they treat me not well.
Yeah.
So that I stopped going there. I started offering my prayers in home.
Okay.
Then I met a friend in the place I was working. She is from Pakistan. She born Ahmadi.
Okay.
And she introduced me to Jamaat.
Okay.
Then I went to the mosque in Portland City, Oregon State.
Yes.
And I met a lot of people there doing tabligh. And they started doing tabligh for me. Actually, at the beginning, I couldn't believe it.
Yeah.
And I have hard time to accept it.
Yeah.
But they give me all the information.
Right.
And they asked me to pray. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guided me to do so, to believe this Jamaat, because many times I get confusion and I have questions. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give me signals.
Yes.
So I accepted in 2016 and I did the bay'at right away in 2016, and since then, alhamdulillah, I'm a Muslim Ahmadi and I'm proud I'm a Muslim Ahmadi.
Very nice to know. What are you feeling the difference when you are not Ahmadi and now you have any kind of difference in your mind? Yes.
There is big difference because when I was not Ahmadi, I wasn't in peace. I have a lot of questions and I have a lot of anxiety.
Yes.
I have a lot of scared, of fear
Yes.
about from God. And when I went, I changed, converted to Ahmadi. I found that it's peaceful. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala merciful. You can do mistakes, but you don't need to do that mistakes. You need to do tawbah. You need to ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala the forgiveness. So I think the peace of mind and the peace in my heart became bigger when I was in Ahmadi. Plus how the morals of Ahmadi people who I know, how they treat with kind and peace, and the most important thing, the logo who attract me, love for all, hatred for none. In the other sects of the Islam, everybody hate each other, everybody fight with each other. So I didn't find this in Ahmadiyya. We accept everybody and we love everybody.
One big difference maybe you have forgotten. No other group of Islam has Khilafat. We have like a shadow on our head.
Yeah, true. There is no, in all sects of Islam, they have no Khalifa.
Yes.
And they have no Khilafat. And there is a hadith that Rasulullah said, if you have no Khalifa,
Yes.
that means you are not in the right side.
That's
the right
right.
side.
They are searching for.
And also the difference is there is
Yes.
a lot of people claim as a Mahdi and a
Yes.
Masih Maw'ud,
Yes.
but all this movement or all this claim get destroyed.
Yeah.
While the Ahmadi movement every year get bigger and bigger and bigger, and I think this is also signals to be that this is the right sect.
Have you been in Jalsa in America as well?
I went to Jalsa in California, and
Yes.
I went to Jalsa in Seattle,
Okay.
Washington State, but unfortunately, Khalifa was not there.
Ah,
This
yeah,
is
I know.
first time for
And
me I
your
meet Khalifa.
parents are still in Yemen,
Yeah, all my family is still in Yemen.
and you came alone for study in America?
Yeah, I came alone to America, and then I immigrated there, and I live
Okay.
there now.
And you came here from America now with your family or with
No,
friends?
with my friends from the mosque of the Portland.
Ah, very nice.
Yeah, because
Okay.
I asked to come to the Jalsa because I wanted so bad to meet Khalifa.
Yes.
And even I requested for mulaqat
Yes.
and private mulaqat because I really need,
Yes.
because I feel that my father is not happy with me,
Yes.
and I feel Khalifa is like just not Khalifa, is like my father.
Yeah.
I love him like my father. So
Yes.
I need to meet him, and that's why I came here.
Okay. Thank you very much for giving.
Jazakallah.